assessor. So, ito ang patunay na ako ang magiging assessor for today. So, gusto ko lang kayo kamustahin kung okay lang ba kayo. Okay lang po. Handa na ba kayo para sa assessment natin for today? Please pray for attendance because we are just here to oversee your performance today. Thank you for your time and presence, ma'am. Ayan, dahil tapos sa aking pagpapakilala bilang inyong magiging trainer or assessor for today, gusto ko naman nagkaroon tayo ng konting orientation lang para malaman nyo kung ano nga ba yung mga gagawin nyo for today. So, the first one is prepare metaphor. The second one is prepare soft roll. And the third one is prepare Swiss roll. So, I know na familiar na kayo sa lahat ng gagawin dahil before naman tayo mag-assessment ay nakakaroon na kayo ng pre-assessment. So the assessment will be conducted through demonstration, oral questioning, and presentations of the product na ma-assign sa inyo mamaya. So please be reminded to follow safety procedures, proper hygiene, and observe time management dahil meron kaming bibigay sa inyo na allotted time para makomplete ninyo ang mga competency na kailangan ninyong magawa. So before we begin, do you have any question?
Wala na po.
Okay. Let's proceed to our assessment. So good morning, trainees.
Good morning po.
And so gusto ko i-check yung mga informations, the spelling of your name, para may tama agad ito agad na ito. So good afternoon, Ms. Rosas.
Good afternoon.
Yan. So gusto ko lang malaman, kamusta naman yung performance mo?
Okay lang po. Hindi ko lang ba nagawa ko yung mga dapat kong gawin.
Okay, very good. So, tatanong ko lang sa iyo kung rate mo 1 to 100%, kung patingin mo ba ano yung rate na naging performance mo ngayon?
99 po.
Wow, very good. So, after evaluating your performance based on criteria, I am pleased to inform you that you are competent today. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Keep improving your skills and continue practicing good works and habits. We are looking forward to seeing you succeed and your career in food industry. So, thank you so much. So, good afternoon, Ms. Suarez.
Good afternoon po.
So, anong napipili mo? Kamusta naman yung performance mo?
To be honest po, sobrang po akong pinalakan. Kaya, nalimutan ko po yung mga procedures.
Okay, so kung i-rate mo yung mga performance mo kanina at yung sabi sa sarili mo, in 1 to 100, so paano para sa'yo, gaano kataas or kababa yung performance mo?
1879 po.
Okay, so based in our evaluations of your performance, I am sorry to announce that some of the areas in very basic productions ay hindi mo pagtagumpayan na tutusin at gawin ng tama. But it's an opportunity for you to improve. I encourage you to review the areas where you need to more practice, and you can reassess it once you are ready. So you're just need more practice and practice until you perfect and until you pass the PPT and CT. So I believe in your potential and see you again next time. So thank you so much.